This is catfishing. Oh shit. They're going for it. There goes one. Oh shit. He's a tough one. There goes the other one. Yeah. He's smelling the bait. He's fucking coming. He's not getting away. Fuck. Gotta get him back. Gotta get him closer. Can't let him get away. Son of a bitch. Go back, you cat. You're gonna be smart this time. He's not gonna see me coming.
Smarter than you, dumbass.
He's coming. He's coming. We got him. Yeah, look at this one. A big baby, a 12-pounder. It's the prize fish. Let's take a look at these teeth. He's still a baby. You can see from those claws. Oh man, he's a feisty one. He's trying to get away. Let's look at his tail. Look at this. Beautiful tail. Beautiful. Too bad we're gonna have to throw this fucker back. Because I don't like killing cats. There you go. And he's free again.